Thinking about dropshipping? Let's review Avasam. Find links below. Avasam is a UK-based platform designed to simplify dropshipping. It connects e-commerce businesses with reliable suppliers, automates listings, and streamlines order fulfillment. Perfect for entrepreneurs wanting a hassle-free experience and happy customers. Avasam shines with its pre-vetted supplier network, focusing on verified, high-quality suppliers, many UK-based. This means fast shipping for UK and European customers. Avasam also excels at automation. It integrates with Shopify, eBay, and Amazon, syncing product listings, inventory, and pricing in real time. No more overselling or outdated info. Order fulfillment is also automated. Avasam forwards orders directly to the supplier, who then ships with automatic tracking updates. You focus on growth, not logistics. Avasam offers analytics to track sales trends, top products, and customer behavior, empowering data-driven decisions. While Avasam's catalog is smaller than global giants like AliExpress, it prioritizes reliability and faster shipping within the UK and Europe. Avasam is excellent for dropshippers wanting a reliable, automated platform with quality suppliers and fast shipping. Its integrations and UK focus make it a valuable tool for scaling your business. Check the links below to explore Avasam and see if it's right for you.